Hello guys, thank you so much for watching. Today's video is the first video of the music theory for singers that I'm starting today. So today we're going to talk about the octave. The octave, if you haven't done any music that you are completely stranger to this word, is the same note at different heights. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna play an A on the keyboard. Now this note, it's an A, and this is one octave up, the same note. Okay, from here another octave up. Okay, and if I play the three notes together, can you hear that it's the same note? Right? Can you hear it? I play in different ways, in different heights. All are A's, okay? Now, what's interesting for you as a singer is to be able to find the octave in your voice. Guys, you need to do this. So let's take this note as the same note, A. So just hum it. Can you hear the same note an octave higher? Try to slide in between and come back, start here, arrive here, come back here, and slide. Now, from this A, this one is a bit more difficult to reach, but let's do it. You can hum it. So you see, it's quite, in your voice, it's completely different places. Okay, if I take the first one. So what's important for you, it's not really to know what's the name of the note. It's to first catch it when you can hear it in a song. And second, to know exactly where is it in your voice. Okay, because when you start, I have some very beginner students who never did any music before, and it's a challenge to hear the note and reproduce. So this interval, if you get this interval, it's really good. So this was the octave. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, La, Si, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La. Okay, it's the first and the last note of a scale, of a major scale. I mean, any scale really, because usually you arrive on the tonic. This was the first video, this music theory series of videos. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And I look forward to your comments. Do you need any more information? Was something unclear? Comment. I see you next time. Bye.